Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing some new mascaras from Half Magic Beauty. So if you would like to see what they sent over, then just stay tuned. All right, so Half Magic Beauty was kind enough to send over their brand new 2 shades of the Eyelectric Extreme Lengthening Mascara. We have a brown that is called New Bombshell, as well as an indigo called Indigorgeous. And then they also sent over their classic black, which is called Urchin. I also have the other 2 mascaras that they have on their site. We've got Teal With It and Violet Act. I'm going to be swatching all of these mascaras for you today, but I am going to swatch all of these on false lashes so I don't rip my lashes out of my eyes. These mascaras have a 12-hour wear. They are raccoon eye proof, so they're not going to smudge and get all underneath your eye throughout the day. They have a beautiful pearlescent finish, and they are ophthalmologist tested. So these mascaras are going to be safe enough for all those sensitive eyes out there, as well as contact wearers. Okay, so right now I do have Urchin on my natural lashes, and you guys, I do not have the greatest natural lashes. They're very short, they hardly show up, but as you can tell, they are there and they are lengthened. Here is Teal With It, super pretty. Here we have Violet Act. And I feel like these 2 you can really see the pearlescent effect with. Here we have one of the new shades. This one is Indigorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. Here is New Bombshell, the beautiful brown. There, you can see it a little better when it's in the light. And then, of course, you guys saw Urchin on my natural lashes, but for good measure, I just decided to put the mascara on the falsie as well so you guys could see what it looks like. So here is Urchin. Super pretty. And that is it, you guys. That is all of the swatches for the Eyelectric Extreme Lengthening Mascara from Half Magic Beauty. What do you guys think? Which shade is your favorite? Do you guys like the new shades? Let me know down in the comments below. You guys, these are cruelty-free, they are vegan, and they are available now at halfmagicbeauty.com. I just want to say a big thank you to Half Magic Beauty for sending me these mascaras to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you liked this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.